Hi everybody, it's Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. Welcome to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. On this channel I do a lot of card making and sharing, mini albums, scrapbook paper, crafts of all kinds, and gardening as well. And I show the Heartfelt Creations release each month. Purr-fect Posies is this month. And a year or so ago they came out with their dogs. This is for those of you who love kitties. Look at those two little guys in their window. And this one is perfectly fluffy, just adorable. Lovely borders, lovely pastel colors. A lovely scene here for your layout with the kittens frolicking. One has a giant hat on, the pretty flowers, and a lovely array of colors going off into the sky. Here are some of the different sized cards. This one's adorable with the birds all over him, isn't he? Yeah, and there's the one with the hat. Hope your day is perfect. Sweet times together. It's your special day. A special hug for you. Just for you. I use those a lot to just put a card together fairly quickly where I'm not going to stamp and emboss all of the colors onto the card itself, the sentiment. So I'll just put one of those on with some foam to lift it up, make it special. Here's a stripe which includes some of the posies that come with this and some of the little kittens. Here are the smaller cards. Again, some nice sentiments down the bottom and all these lovely little adorable kittens. Love this guy where the balloons are taking him up to the sky. This one's very cute here. Yeah, just wonderful if you love kittens or you want to make things for people who are cat people. This paper collection is going to be just right for you. Here are some of the different size tags, and you can make cards with those smaller ones as well. They're easy to pop onto the front. Lovely purples and pinks and blues, greens. This image came from the last set and now it has a little kitten on the seating area. Nice little bird house. There's the kitty floating away with his balloons. Oh, there's a bird on his balloons. And I love the flowers with these yellows, pinks, whites, turquoise type blues, and then it has this lovely, very well blended violets into purples and the blue sky. Love the way they do that. Another small tag with tiny tags that we're used to getting. Some deep purples mixed in here as well. This is very sweet. I would love to line a box with this and have it, when you open up the box, maybe a gift box or a special box. I like to paint the wooden boxes myself and line them with the pretty papers. That would be wonderful. This is a cute one too, where we have the little girl over here and the happy couple in the corner. This guy with birds all over him. Beautiful layout pages. A nice, okay, I won't remember the name for some reason right now, but you know what you're looking at. With the different stripes in different colors. Some sage greens, I would say, are prominent in this one. And this is the page where you can actually use the dies and just cut them out right away if you don't have time to color some of your images someday. Boy, there's a lot of kittens on there. A very pretty design with some violets and turquoise and a little bit of that sage mixed in with a touch of yellow. This is the one that you can cut the flowers out on, and they have the leaves already all set up. So you take one of the sentiments, you take one of the backings, pop out or die cut one of the little kitten things and make some flowers in a cinch. You've got a really beautiful card. Of course, I'd have to put some glitter on it. Here are the different sized cards of the larger layouts. A nice deep purple, and of course, as usual, not just a flat color, but lots of layers in Heartfelt's beautiful papers. 6x6s of some of the other layouts that we've seen. A very sagey green, again, not flat. Really pretty designs with the polka dots as well. More of the 6x6s. Plaid. Okay, yay! I remembered what I'm trying to say. This is a very nice, very light sage pinstripe sort of background paper. Here's the one with all of the little tickets and tags. Very cute. They have the kittens running throughout. Lovely sayings. Great to go with your gifts. A very nice light beige, neutral, but not boring. There's the design. Okay, there's the papers. And we have Playful Miss Kitty, which has this cat, this one with a hat, a little paw. There's the guy with his balloons and the dies to go with it. Purr-fect Playdate has the cute couple in their swing. A stamp that has the word perfect. That little guy with his birds. This one with the hat and the birds on it. And the dies that go with it. Purring and Playful. So we have a whole row of the kittens here. Oh. Sorry about that. Purring and Playful. And they did come up with flowers for this one as well. So here's your Purr-fect Posies, the stamps, the dies, and there's a flower shaping mold for this. Okay, sorry to be so brief on this. I haven't had time to do. It's a very busy time for teachers. I'm sure in a few weeks when I get out, I'll be able to make some things with all these. I won't have these ones up in the store. I'm actually ordering some other things. I'm interested in their 8x8 mini album right now. And if you desperately wanted, like I Want It All or something, you could email me at HuckleberryHerbsandArt7@gmail.com. Otherwise, pop over to my store and see what else I have. Heartfelt and Graphic 45 and other companies that you may well like. Okay, I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Till next time, this is Kathy from Huckleberry Herbs and Art. God bless.